Hello coding people, this is Rawshan from Code with Rawshan channel. So today I'm here to tell about myself, like who I am, how I got into programming, and then what is my first website, also my projects, and then what are the courses that I took from Udemy, also what I'm currently looking for. Okay, so without taking much time, let's go into the video. So if you did not subscribe yet to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and give your support. Also, if you like this video, please click on the like button too. So let's go into that video. Welcome to the video. So as I told you, let me start with who I am. Okay, so my name is Rawshan. I'm 29 years old and I'm living in Qatar, working in the hospital as an IT administrator. So when it's come to programming journey, so it was, I think, if I remember, it was started on 2019. Yeah, 2019 mid, I guess. According to my CTO, Chief Technology Officer. So me and him, we was working on the project which is called paperless work. So digitalizing the forms and making automations according to the submission of the form, something like that. Okay, so there is nothing programming. I didn't do any programming for that, but with the help of some applications. Okay, so it's something like submitting through Google form, and form submission will be stored in the Google spreadsheet. According to the spreadsheet update, with the help of Zapier is an application. With the help of Zapier, it will create a Trello board for each request, for each form submission, something like that. Okay, so successfully we done that job for paperless work project. And then one day, so it's kind of simple logic, like how the automation things should have to work. So I did successfully that part. So I think my CTO, he realized something on me maybe. So another day he came and he told me that, Rawshan, I think you can be good at programming. So I was so surprised at that time. So I don't have any idea about HTML, any idea about CSS, JavaScript, anything. Okay, so he just told me, Rawshan, look into some online courses, so you can grab it very quickly. So he told me that he trusts that I can good at this point. I mean, like I can grow in programming industry. So that was the first day that I start to find like how to become a developer. Okay, so and then my CTO, he suggests me this course, which is the complete web developer in 2022. So it's Zero to Mastery course, which is the course is by Andre. So this is the course that I started. So this Udemy course is for full stack developer. Like he will teach first what is web development, how things are working there, and then about HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and also React, also NPM packages and many things. Okay, so I start to learn web development from this course. So when I come to JavaScript, that is the real hit where I face a lot of hard times. So and then from there, because in this course he will teach only important things related to JavaScript, and he will finish the JavaScript part and he will go to the section which is React. Okay, so from there I stopped this course because I didn't I didn't grab that much about JavaScript. So what I did, according to one of my friends' suggestion, he told me take a separate course for JavaScript. Okay, so I found this course, which is the complete JavaScript course from zero to expert. So this course is by Jonas, which is the great course. He will teach all the fundamental from beginner level to advanced level. According to new ECMAScript syntax and everything is really valuable. So right now I'm in the object-oriented programming with JavaScript. So it's really great course. By taking this course, I got some idea about JavaScript and how advanced DOM things work, how to write a proper scripts, when it's come to fast website and stuff, so what to do, and then what to prevent, while you're making JavaScript codes. So it's really nice course. So if you guys interested on this courses, so you always go there and you can find it from Udemy. Okay, so now let me show you my first website. Okay, so yeah, this is my first website. It's just CSS, HTML, CSS, that's it, no any JavaScript. So while I'm learning HTML and CSS, I did this project. So it's very simple landing page about the journey to become a programmer. So it's something like what I know those days. So there is a link options, and if we click, it will take you to Udemy. And then I'm telling about the course, like if you guys like it, you can subscribe to this course, something like that. Okay, and then this is my first website. Okay, so I don't know it sounds like silly or not, maybe, yeah, but for me it's a big thing, because when I start to programming, it's really, I realize like how much things that we can do. Yeah, so this is my first website. And then after I learning the JavaScript, I did the background generator. Okay, so if you click on the generator, generate random colors, it will generate random colors. Okay, so that we can copy from here, use it, we can use it on another project. Okay, so to generate a random color background. And then I did another project which is called which is also landing page, which is the adventure website. So it's something like visit to Sri Lanka, and there is some animations, and then there is an introduction video about Sri Lanka, and then the packages, so there is some nice animation here on hover also. Yeah, so, and then for example, if you want to choose this package, if you click on book now, it will open another page, which is the booking page. So you can write your email here, and then you can subscribe. Okay, you can submit this. So I use which is called MailChimp. So it will send an email to my email whenever the people submit this form. Okay, and then while I'm learning the JavaScript course, which is this one, I build a game which is the rolling a dice. Okay, so it's something like you can roll a dice. Okay, if it's become 1, which means it will go to the second player. So if you want to stop playing here, you can hold the current dice. Okay, so once you click hold, it will hold. Now the player 2, so he can roll a dice. Now see, it's became 1, and then now the player change it to player 1. Okay, so and then after this I build an application. It's very simple applications, okay, to learn about array methods, the objects methods and everything. Okay, so it's something like a bank app. So there is a username JS and _1, and then enter, it will log. Okay, so from here, this is the current balance and the deposit and withdrawals. So we can transfer money. There is another user which is called, if I remember, it's a JD, I think. So for example, if you want to transfer 100, transfer to, which is JD user, and then maybe let me type okay, 500. Then if you click on the button, it will transfer the money into JD user, and then it will reduce from my account. You can see here. So once you click, see, today, okay, this is 9th withdrawal, and then 500 it will be already transferred to the to other account. Okay, so you can sort also. If you click on sort, it will sort according to the order. See, can unsort also. Okay, there is a loan request and close account. If you don't want to use this account, you can close it, so it will be completely deleted. So yeah, and then after this project, I built a project which is called for the this is something related to this bank app. So all this project, these two projects are we built based on this course. Okay, while I'm learning this course according to the instructor, so I built this course. I built this application. Okay, and this is which is website which is related to this. So if you scroll over, so it will come some nice reveal sections, so lazy loading images. So yeah, and also here you can see, correct. So and then here slide shows, okay, and then the footer part, and the project which I'm doing right now is this. Okay, it's a VMLK website. So it's like VMLK is media, I guess. So see, there is some introduction about all this template videos. I just use it for my education purposes. So see, you can see here. See, so right now I'm rearranging this website because I'm just putting some new JavaScript which will be increase the performance of the website. So see, you can click on here and it will be like pages. So if you go to our pages, you can see under our pages. Yeah, so right now I'm fixing these things. So this is the proper website. So yeah, so if you open our works, it will open our works with the videos. So this website is a little bit slow, guys, because I'm taking all the videos from YouTube. So also I'm fixing some scripts here to increase the performance of the website. So if you can click digital documentary, there is a headings. So each heading has different videos. So if you hover over the video, it will play the video. Okay, so let me show you. For some reason the video is still loading. Yeah. See. See, these are. So once we hover over, it will play the video. So right now I'm working on this project. So it's an auto slideshow, but right now I stopped that. So yeah, so these are my projects. So definitely, guys, when it's come to learning to programming, I mean, like teaching ourselves, which is very hard, to be honest. So I'm advising you guys also. Definitely I face a lot of hard times while I'm learning. So keep going. If you are new to programming journey, so I'm telling you as an advice, keep going guys, never give up. Definitely you will reach your destination. So even for me, to be honest, while I'm learning things alone, it's really hard, because we just alone, like we have to find ourselves to things to make done, things to work, things to make it work. Yeah, so keep going. So right now I think, now I'm in the stage where I can build projects, and also like I'm looking for an internship, because I know how to work with the organization, but still I don't know how programmers work, because I never been in that situation. So right now I'm looking for an internship. At least I can I can see how developers work, so I can gain a mini knowledge, from senior developers. So that's how this one came across. Okay, so I'm making this video, one of the main reason, because once you're done, I mean, like while you're learning, and once you're done that, for example, like once you believe that you can do project, so for my style, I think I prefer myself, it's better to do an internship with one of the growing company, so which will help me to gain more, so we are still not in the live, right? So when we are working with the live project, it's totally different, it's a teamwork, it's many things going on there. I mean, like we can learn many things from them, from senior developers. So I think, for my opinion, so I'm going to apply for this web development internship, which is based in Sri Lanka. So I believe, like, still I don't know I will get it or not, but I believe if they choose me, it will be a great opportunity for me to gain my knowledge in the web development industry, because I will work with the team. So when we are collaborating with the developer team, we can gain many things, right, instead of working alone. So when we are working as a team, we can gain many knowledge from others. So yeah, so if anyone interested on this in web internship, I prefer, guys, like if you guys interested on this, please I will put this link in the description. So go ahead, and if you're interested on this, please apply to this internship also. So I'm going to apply too, because it will be I can gain a great benefit from this. So yeah, so that's it. So to finish this video, so let me show you my studying style. So usually when I'm following courses, I used to take notes. So I don't know, is that the waste of time or not when it's come to programming, but for me, especially if I take notes later on, even once I finish the course, while I'm doing the project, I can come to my notes, and I can grab things according to my project needs. So for that, I'm using Notion. So this is my Notion page. So under my Notion page, there is a page called My Courses. So there is a questions, like if I go to questions, there is a HTML based questions, CSS, Bootstrap 5, JavaScript, and then these are my courses. So right now I'm in this stage, like the complete JavaScript course. So yeah, so I have a notes from fundamental, from beginner level to advanced level. So this is how I study, because it's so easy for me to grab things later on, like because web development is huge, we can't keep everything in our head, right? So definitely it's not possible. So for one of my way is putting everything into the notes. So I'm making my own notes based on the courses that I'm taking. So later on, if I need it, I can come here and I can grab things which I want. Okay, so yes, I think this video is going to end now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please support to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, please click on the like button. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.